Hi, welcome to What's Up with DJ Now. Okay, today I'm just going to show you really quick. I'm sure everybody knows how to do this already, so there's no need for a tutorial, but I really enjoy my little dash griddle, and I just felt like having some good grilled cheese with ham and turkey sandwiches. So a grilled ham and cheese per se, or a grilled turkey and cheese sandwich. So I was going to make that, and I figured, hey, why not do a little quick video on it, just to show all the people out there that are new to buying the dash griddle. And you know, they have the waffle ones, they have the griddle ones, they have different ones. This is the big 10-inch griddle, and it's really easy to make pancakes on, and grilled cheese and little hamburger patties. I mean, I know that you can do this in a pan also, but the griddle works really well. So I thought, why not just show you guys, just a quick little video. So that's what I'm doing, and so just have a look. I'm using mayo on my bread. You can use butter, but I learned that mayo really actually works a lot better, because mayo is essentially oil, and so it works really well. But you can do butter or either mayo. And then I'm just going to put some sandwich cheese, and then I'll go ahead and add my Black Forest ham to this first one. Use whatever lunch meats or hams that you prefer. I decided to kind of fold them over to make it a more thicker kind of sandwich. And I'm putting, you don't have to put an extra slice of cheese, but I wanted the ham encompassed inside the ham, so I put ham on the bottom and cheese on the bottom and cheese on the top, with the ham in the middle. And I'm just getting an extra little half of a slice to extend that. Then we're going to put our lid on. We're going to shut the lid of the dash, and I just kind of push it a little bit for a second, but the weight of it will come down onto the bread. And it doesn't take long at all to cook on this, and it heats up really quick. It's a nice little kitchen gadget to have. Now, I didn't show you, but I had flipped this because there's a griddle on the top and the bottom, but the bottom one tends to get a little browner at first, so it's always better to kind of start it that way and then flip it, so that the top that was exposed to the top will also get exposed to the bottom griddle. I think because of weight, it just pushes down and does the bottom one a little better. So I had already turned this sandwich, but you'll see on the next one what I mean. And this one's done to my liking. Now see, the other side's, it's good enough. It's done. Take it out. And then we're going to work on doing our grilled turkey and cheese. Again, put your bread down with your mayo or butter side down. Put your cheese on top. Like I said, it's not rocket science. You guys all know how to make grilled cheese, so no different on the griddle. Now I'm going to take my turkey, which I'm using the same brand as the ham, but with turkey, and do the same thing. I put 6 slices of turkey on there. You can do whatever you prefer. Actually, I did 4 on that one, but I did 6 on the ham, I should say. And then put our cheese on top. Put our lid of our bread topper. Shut the lid, and you'll see it kind of slowly go down with the weight. Like I said, it just takes a couple minutes. I cut the time that it, you know, in between the video so you don't have to watch the 2 minutes. But now we're back, and then see, I'm going to open it and I see how the top, it's getting brown around the edges but not as much on the bottom. So I'm just going to give it a little look on the bottom and see how it's doing. Give it a couple minutes, not maybe a couple minutes, but a couple more seconds or whatever. You'll learn the time frame as you use it, but it's pretty quick. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and flip it, and you'll see that once I flip it, then the bottom will get a you know, a good contact on the bottom griddle, and finish it off for a little bit longer. Okay, now this one's done. We're going to take this one out as well. Unplug that griddle so it'll get cool. Now here's our 2 grilled cheese sandwiches. One's grilled ham and cheese, and one's grilled turkey and cheese. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut these open so you can have a look on the inside. I feel like having a quick dinner tonight, so that's why I decided to make these. Okay, now let's have a look. Pull it apart, and this is the turkey one. So you see all that good melted cheese in there? Yum. With the turkey inside. Now let's have a look at the grilled ham and cheese. Yum. The ham and cheese has 6 slices of ham. Look at that up close. Nice and crispy on the outside, gooey and cheesy on the inside. Couldn't ask for anything better. Nice comfort food, huh? Thank you for watching this quick video of mine. If you'd like and subscribe, it would help my channel. If you like the video, that really helps YouTube to know that you like my videos and you want to see more of them. So click like. And I do have a Facebook group where we share recipes and anything food related. I'll link that in the description if you're interested. But at any rate, thank you for watching, and you all have a great day. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.